Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In maths, today our topic is converting ones. Page number 29, 30, 31. After watching this lesson, students will be able to how to add numbers, how to convert ones, how to convert ones in the tens column. So let's start. This is Adil. He adds some blocks. He begins with some blocks. Let's count how many blocks they are. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens blocks. And he has some ones blocks too. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones blocks. He has 3 tens blocks and 5 ones blocks. Now in these blocks he adds 8 ones. Here he has 3 tens, 5 ones and some more blocks. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones blocks. Now Adil wants to add them all. So here we will put plus sign. Now he will add them. 5 ones, 8 ones makes 13 ones. And how many tens are there? 3 tens. So we will write 3 tens here. The greatest number we can write on ones is 9. But here 13 is greater than 9. That's why we cannot write 13 on ones column. That's why Adil knows he must change his ones. 13 ones equals to 110, 3 ones. He takes 10 ones and puts them in the tens column. Now here he has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens and 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. Now Adil writes the addition sum like this. First he had 3 tens, 5 ones. Then he adds 8 ones more. 5 plus 8 equals to 13. So we will write 3 ones and 110 will convert into tens. Now add tens. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So the answer is 4. Now let's solve the exercise. First question has been done for you, in which we have 2 tens, 6 ones. And we will add 6 ones more in them. 6 plus 6 equals to 12. So we will write 2 1 and 110 will convert into tens column. Now let's add tens column. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So the answer is 32. Now we will add 4 into 38. 8 plus 4 equals to 12. 12 means 110, 2 ones. So here we will write 2 ones and 110 will convert into tens. Now add tens. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So the answer is 42. Now add 8 into 55. 8 plus 5 equals to 13. So here we will write 3 ones and 110 will convert into tens. Now add tens. 5 plus 1 equals to 6. So So the answer is 63. Now add 7 into 64. 4 plus 7 equals to 11. So we will write 1 on ones column and 110 will convert into tens column. Now add tens. 6 plus 1 equals to 7. So the answer is 71. Now add 7 into 36. 6 plus 7 equals to 13. So here we will write 3 on ones column and 110 will convert into tens. Now add tens. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So the answer is 43. Here is question number 7. Add these. The first question has been done for you, in which 16 will add into 47. 7 plus 6 equals to 13. So 3 will be right on ones and 110 will convert into tens. Now add tens. Tens have 3 digits. We will add them all. 1 plus 4 equals to 5 and 5 plus 1 equals to 6. So the answer is 63. Now add 28 into 64. 4 plus 8 equals to 12. So we will write 2 ones and 110 will convert into tens. Now add tens. 1 plus 6 equals to 7 and 7 plus 2 equals to 9. So the answer is 92. Now add 58 into 17. 7 plus 8 equals to 15. So we will write 5 ones and 110 will convert into tens. Now add tens. 1 plus 1 equals to 2 and 2 plus 5 equals to 7. So the answer is 75. Now add 39 into 24. 4 plus 9 equals to 13. So we will write 3 ones and 110 will convert into tens. Now add tens. 1 plus 2 equals to 3 and 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So the answer is 63. Now add 46 into 45. 5 plus 6 equals to 11. So we will write 3 ones and 110 will convert into tens. Now add tens. 1 plus 4 equals to 5 and 5 plus 4 equals to 9. So the answer is 91. Now add 39 into 22. 2 plus 9 equals to 11. So we will write 1 on ones column and 110 will convert into tens. Now add tens. 1 plus 2 equals to 3 and 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So the answer is 61. Now here is question number 9. Write the sum in the box and find the answer. The first question is, Maha plants 25 trees. Aisha plants 18 more. How many trees do they plant altogether? Let's solve this. Maha plants 25 trees. Aisha plants 18 more. Now we have to add them all. 5 plus 8 equals to 13. So here we will write 3, 1 and 110 will convert into tens. Now let's add tens. 1 plus 2 equals to 3 and 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So the answer is 43. Maha and Aisha planted 43 trees altogether. Now in part B, a monkey eats 29 bananas and then 12 more. How many bananas does he eat altogether? Let's find out. Monkey first eats 29 bananas, then he eats 12 more. Let's add. 9 plus 2 equals to 11. We will write 1 on ones column and 110 will convert into tens column. Now add tens. 1 plus 2 equals to 3 and 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So monkey ate 41 bananas altogether. Now in part C, Ali saves 25 buckets of water in a month. Rohel saves 17. How much water do they save altogether in a month? Let's find out. Ali saves 25 buckets of water and Rohel saves 17. Let's add them. 5 plus 7 equals to 12. So we will write 2 on ones and 110 will convert into tens. Now add tens. 1 plus 2 equals to 3 and 3 plus 1 equals to 4. That means Ali and Rohel saved 42 buckets of water in a month. So students, hopefully you understood today's lesson. Now your homework is do question number 6 and 7 of page number 30 and question 8 and 9 of page number 31 as your homework. Hope you all will do well. Thank you.